Okay, so good evening, everyone. Welcome to another series of KYM by GWN. And GWN is a global wedding network group where we have this KYM series, Know Your Member series for all our members here. And it is a warm welcome from our team and to all of you all here for being here in this KYM series today. Global GWN, the Global Wedding Network industry, is here to spread globally as well as reaching to the remotest of areas, promoting quality and spreading the practice of collaboration. That is what we call as collaborative competitions in weddings and in a very healthy way, the wedding business. So we are here to have this KYM series with our members, and today we have Deepak Rangavani with us here today, and he is here to be the first KYM series. Hello, Deepak. Nice to have you here.
Thank you, Pramodni. I'm Deepak Rangwani, uh, and I'm into the business of travel. So, thank you, GWN, for giving me such a huge platform to represent myself and my company over here. So, looking forward to. Thank you, everyone.
So, Deepak, would you like to briefly say something about yourself?
Yes, Pam, I'm actually an engineering graduate. I did my engineering in 2010, and 2015 I started this company
Okay.
named Cordial Hotels and Resorts. So
Okay.
this company was about B2B hotel marketing, and right now we are shaping up this company to different international destinations all around. So this is about us.
So, a little bit that I know about you is that you are a travel entrepreneur who explores the best destinations for his clients, and you offer the quality services under the banner of Cordial Group. I think that I remember that you had started this journey of yours in 2015, and with your flamboyant attitude, you had to nail your name in the travel industry. And he is also accessible to anyone who has travel dreams and ensures the dreams come through by arranging not only the itinerary, but he plans the trip as per the best rates and services available for his clients. And he's from Ahmedabad. This is a little bit that I know about Deepak and the interactions that we have had from him. So, welcome, Deepak, again to KYM. And what I would like to know is, Deepak, the very first question that always comes in my mind as an entrepreneur myself, that how do you think this journey started? Like, let all of us know more about your startup story and where did this whole thing of being a travel entrepreneur come into your mind?
Uh, Thanks, Pam, again for a wonderful introduction. And yeah, regarding my startup, so
Okay.
I'm an engineering graduate, as I already told you. So after completing my engineering, my father came to me and said, "Ab kya karna hai?" I told Dad, either I'm going out of this country or I want to become a businessman over here. He said, "एक काम कर, कपड़ा मार्केट में चला जा, like all Sindhis we do, कपड़ा मार्केट में चला जा." So there I had a good experience, but then the thing was hurting me was like payments. बहुत late payments मिलते थे, बहुत around 8 to 10 months, and it was very frustrating for me. So I was just sitting at my friend's office, who happened to be a travel agent, and he told me to come into this field. This field has a lot for you.
Okay.
Then वहाँ पे बस ऐसे बात करते करते he told me to start up something. मैंने भी फिर होटल मार्केटिंग कंपनी स्टार्ट कर दी, and he was the one who was helping me to get the resorts around. And bus this is a short brief where I started this small company around.
Wow. So that I think that is one journey that you decided कि बस अभी हमको यहीं पे रहना है, and with all the help that your father also said suggested, वो journey आपका शुरू हो गया वहीं पे.
Yeah, true that.
But
I
what
mean,
yeah.
yeah, yes please, yes please.
No, say something. You were saying something.
Marketing, I always like to do कुछ था marketing करने which used to inspire me a lot. So marketing into hotels and resorts company helped me to achieve the heights. पहले तो like it was only limited to travel agents of Gujarat.
Okay.
Then there was a life-changing moment in 2017 when I came across a Bali DMC. So throwing a light on DMC is all about DMCs are destination management companies. When any travel agent wants to book anything abroad, any services abroad, he cannot book by himself. So he
Okay.
has to hire third-party agencies who are already settled in that country. Those companies are known as DMCs. So I represented one of the Bali DMC, which was very new in the market, and the boost up was for me was like the first 3 months I gave them a clientele of 100 packs. So
Wow.
that was again a good achievement from my side.
Okay.
Then I became very regular. I became very much well known in the travel agency market, and then again it was like round back when I joined a networking organization named BNI. So again it helped me to change from where I am now to where I was before. So right now I am handling 6 international destinations as
Wow.
my B2B consolidations. So all that was due to support of my father or maybe the travel agency I work for, and my experience, you can call.
Beautiful, yeah. I mean, it's been a journey where you have really, somewhere we say हर journey में एक ज़रूरत होती है काम करने की, या कुछ journeys में एक ज़रूरत होती है कि you want to be there, it's your passion and it's something that you are enjoying doing, and you kick-started your passion right from beginning, I think, by becoming a travel entrepreneur, and you didn't want anything else anywhere, and it brought those content moments in your life.
See, travel is only the field where with the work you get to roam around,
Okay.
and you get paid for what you're doing. घूमने के साथ साथ भी आपको पैसे मिलते हैं. So there is no any field, I mean, in this world who can get you paid for roaming around. So yeah, and again, marketing. See, any product I could have marketed, but then this field, what it is giving me a sense of joy, a sense of experience, a sense of stability. So yeah.
That's nice. But over the journey, there is, हर किसी के पास, whether it is, especially when we say it is something more about passion and something more about what you're enjoying doing, there's always, when we start this journey of us, most of us are always inspired by someone, by something. So what has been your inspiration?
This field has given me immense. Like I cannot say मुझे क्या इंस्पायर करती है, बट हाँ, मैं रोज नए इंसान से मिलता था वहाँ. मेरे लिए एक नया रोज फेस था, एक नया एंटरप्रेन्योर था अपने आप में जो मुझे गाइड करता था. Where I used to see them, and I was to tell into myself that करना है तो ऐसा कुछ करना है. And this marketing with the DMCs around, knowing more destinations around, it has helped me to grow, and yes, it has inspired me a lot in many ways. I'm a different person right now, as I told you again. So this is has inspired me later.
Okay. But हमेशा जो भी आप एक journey start करते हो, या whenever you think कि yes, these are my inspirations and this is my journey that you have started, you must have faced a lot of different situations. And what were those situations in your life, and how did you think you approached these situations?
जब start किया था तब बहुत सारे travel agents, when I used to go, sir, I am here to represent something. Oh, get out.
Okay.
Don't stay here.
Oh.
So that was a bit shock to me. मैं एक normal sales person जैसा treat करा जाता था. But again, I did not lose my hope with that. and I tried to correct myself where the approach towards the agent was wrong. And फिर वही एजेंट से काम निकलवाना, it was a huge task for me. फिर ऐसे सीखता गया and a lot in process then. फिर कैसा था कि जो डेस्टिनेशन मुझे हेल्प किए, लाइक आई वाज नेवर अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ गिवर टुवर्ड्स द डेस्टिनेशन. मैं कुछ हमेशा नया लेके आता था. एंड वन थिंग मार्केटिंग हैज ऑलवेज टॉट मी दैट सबसे पहले किसी चीज का अगर मार्केट करना है आपको तो उसका पहले नेगेटिव जानो.
Okay.
So knowing that, जब counter question आएगा सामने से, you will be easily countering your strongness over the negative part. So मुझे वो चीज बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. मुझे अब डेस्टिनेशन के बारे में अगर नेगेटिव चीज जान ली तो we become a pro in that destination. No one can beat us in that destination. कि पता है इस इंसान को कि यहाँ पे क्या खामी होने वाली है, कैसे कवर अप करेगा. So even clients, B2C clients also test us on the same thing कि ये हमको गलत सिचुएशन में आएंगे तो if he has any capability to bring us back. So that is only the client wants, and when you give that confidence to the client, he's all up for you.
Oh, okay. I mean, I really like this idea that you said ki, which I also totally agree ki, according to marketing sense ki, if we know the negatives, initially it's always very easy for us to target what we want to do, and overcoming those negative points we can get in and be more good at our work. That is one point which I would agree to you, and especially with I feel with people like us where we are a lot on the creative side, and हम लोग को easily recognition नहीं मिलता है कोई चीज का, and but we are those type of people who say yeah, we are demand the recognition, और हम लोग वहाँ पे होने ही वाले हैं type sort of thing. So this is a very nice attitude of yours, which I think most of us event people also really have, that okay, this is a negative part, इसको निकालना है.
In fact, I would like to show you on my screen कि क्या पॉजिटिविटी मुझे लाई and नेगेटिविटी को मैंने कैसे कवर अप किया. I have some destinations for you people to look it over, and that came a long way out. So I'll speak about Bali today, and second island is Maldives. So I'll pick up only 2 destinations. I should not be mixing up many at a time. So
So Deepak is saying at a time, matlab we are having one more series of KYM with him.
Oh, pleasure is mine. So as you can see this on the screen, this is known as Clinking Beach of Bali. A very beautiful beach. A very it is around 1,000 feet height from the sea level, and people here go to enjoy and have a photographic sessions around. So a honeymooner or a family client who is looking forward to explore Bali, many travel agents don't give this. So again, it is into my selected kind of thing. Then this is known as Broken Beach. Again, a beautiful one. People go there for photography. If you can see this arch, people go there for mountain rock climbing, freestyle rock climbing. हाथ में powder लगा के नीचे से ऊपर चढ़ते हैं, and when they reach the top, they jump back into the waters. So it is a exciting this thing for the clients around. फिर बहुत सारे जो myths हैं, I would like to break the myths of people around. Some people say that Bali is not for kids. So let me clear them. Bali is definitely for kids. When you open this room window, you'll find rhinoceros, wildebeest, zebras grazing around. Then every night they'll keep couple of carrots in your room so that you can feed giraffe by your own hands. There is a restaurant in there where it separates by glass, and lions are on the other side.
Wow.
And if you're lucky enough, you can also feel lion cubs on the pool side. And last but not the least, you can always click photographs with orangutans in your lap.
Okay.
There are certain islands where we can go for the night parties and boat parties. It's very, very exclusive boat parties. You'll find people like New Zealanders and Australians in these boat parties. So a stag always should be up for it. Then floating breakfast in the pool. It's very common. It's very damn common. Let me take you to one step ahead. We can give you floating brunch on the river inside the raft. So again, a different kind of experience. We can give you like properties for weddings. Now, if you see this property, it is perfect for weddings, and any wedding planner would be dying to make an event over here. So we can also give you pre-wedding photo shoots in Bali. I have a team of photographers, videographers, makeup artists. We can give you anything like cars for props, helicopters. We can give you yachts, private yachts, 2 bedroom, 4 bedroom, 6 bedroom, anything. Some photographers may not carry their equipments like drones. We can give them drones too. We can arrange your wardrobes too over there. So we have lot to offer to each and every person. And apart from that, Maldives is a beautiful location. My kind of client will not go there for 3 nights. My kind of client will go there for 1 month. Why 1 month? Reason, no, they would like to explore the entire island with water activities. So they would like to stay there for a month. And 3 star, 4 star budget properties unko chalta hai. They don't need drinks, but they want to enjoy this kind of atmosphere. And this is known as sandbanks in Maldives. These sandbanks are islands which are partially below the sea and partially above the sea. We can arrange your private parties on these sandbanks. So this is few things what we are niche at, what we can give you, something like a pro kind of thing.
I mean, seeing the pictures post this, I am like, my Bali trip has been pending since so long with my college girls, and it's supposed to be a girl gang party to Bali, actually.
Yeah, definitely. We can give you
now. It's been in my bucket list since, like, all our bucket list. We, all our 5-6 girls. It's been in our bucket list since 2 years now. But abhi jo aapne pictures dikhaaye post that, I am like, okay, COVID pandemic jo bhi hai, like, the next year first two months ko dekho. And I think right now the rates would be much more competitive. And but is it? I mean, is it fairly okay to travel right now? I don't think so, right?
ऐसा नहीं है. See, regarding girls trip, firstly मैं एक point add कर दूँ आपको. When there is a girl gang going, so I can give them a female chauffeur, so that they can feel all the safe on that particular island. And though Bali is very safe.
No, but why would I want a female chauffeur?
Some people would like to.
Don't talk about some people. Talk about me.
I totally agree on you that you don't need a female chauffeur on that. But I'm pitching many people around together. I'm not pitching to
the whole thing about only girls going is to have fun. So
True that.
So jokes aside, Deepak, but yeah, I mean, this is something which my gang has been really looking forward, and I know now I have that one Deepak Rangwani to contact and get. I mean, probably because of the pandemic could be next year, but that is my whole point. Ki, what do you think, considering the beautiful places you showed us, like Maldives and Bali and all. So when you are really talking about these places and you're talking about people connecting to these places, what is your best USP? Or I would want to know ki, why should I feel ki और कोई नहीं मेरे को दीपक से ही ये काम करवाना है.
Regarding this times, I must tell you, I'm all ready to go on for some destinations. Like Maldives has already started, Dubai has already started. So we are waiting for a government to give us a green signal. So until unless we don't get good flights to work on, we cannot send any person overseas over there. So yes, I'm waiting for the right time to click it. But let me tell you one more thing on this. Singapore Airport, Changi. Changi Airport is the gateway to all the Southeast destinations. Majorly, it is covering each and every destination all around the world. So as soon as Changi Airport is opened, you will get the flights all over the world. Now, Changi Airport can link you to the Southeast. It can link you to the Middle East. It can also link you to the Europe. So I'm totally waiting for that particular airport to open up. और जब वो खुलेगा, तो mind me, ma'am, that would be the safest place on the earth. Reason,
Okay.
they have developed robots which will give you inspect you directly on that airport going, like आप जब land हो गए तो आपको कोई human touch से आपको check नहीं करेगा. There would be robots who would be seeing you, who would be feeling you around, and that would be a safest place on the earth, I must say that.
Okay. So, I mean, in how much time do you think this could possibly, like, the airports giving the go for
Fingers
it?
crossed, fingers crossed, it might open by September 1st as per the government's new guidelines. But the safest period of travel, if I have to guess, it should be around after Diwali.
Okay.
So yes, after Diwali would be the safest place because वो लोग भी प्रिपेयर हो गए होंगे कि हमको आगे अगर इतना सारा क्राउड आता है तो कैसे टैकल करना है and how we need to match up with the people around. So after Diwali is the best particular time to start up with, after COVID, to start up with the foreign destinations.
Okay. So I think at least we know in mind that we can plan whatever we plan. It is towards the end of the year that we go ahead with the planning, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
And but again, also considering the current scenario that are happening, and we also know that travel industry has been also affected in the similar way, like how many others have. So you being from the travel industry, what do you think that the current situation would be for you all, or how bad an impact it has been, and what are you all planning or doing in this pandemic to, sort of overcome the whatever mental situations that you all are facing through right now?
Uh, Pam, I don't take a COVID situation as a challenging situation. Frankly, it is a boon to all of our industry.
Okay.
Number one, why it is a boom? Reason we have got a time to invest. We as a travel agent or we as a event planners, we don't invest anything directly in form of money into our businesses. Whatever we
Right.
have, it's our experience, it's our like हमको वही है. So this has given us a time to invest in our business, to know what we can do better, how we can approach better after this situation. I mean, पहले ऐसा होता था. I had a sleepless nights. I had a very tense nights where I was going into depression. But once I have started this making a one-to-one around, I met a lot of people around. I met Neeraj ji. I met everyone. Like बहुत positive लोगों से मिला. Deepak Watra is also here. He has been guiding me. So definitely I had a time of my life, and making a one-to-one around, I have met around 300 one-to-ones to the people. Some
Wow.
I have drafted, some I have not, but then I have known a lot of people around, and there are people who are ready to support.
Yeah.
It is about
Actually,
us.
actually,
It is.
likewise, like I agree to what you're saying, Deepak. This whole lockdown scenario, this whole pandemic scenario, totally agree with you that all of us have made huge connections and a lot more people who we have in line to work with. So even similarly, if I talk of myself also being a dance and an event company, so for us, not everything and everything is about being together. We cannot
Exactly.
be away from each other and everything. But being platforms like GWN and meeting awesome people here, I have realized that it is just a sort of बोलते हैं ना वो नींव हम लोग रेडी करते हैं तो हमारा नींव रेडी हो रहा है like that base is getting ready to grow bigger and to explore more and to get to know newer people and how we and जितना हमारा अभी वो होता है ना you keep filling the balloon and boom it's ready to blast in some few months and everyone is going to go a huge way and I really agree with you that whenever we see the positive side of everything, things just turn good and things just turn nice there. That is what I would say, like manifestation of thought, which I truly believe in. So that point is totally agreed. But what considering under all these scenarios also, what are the future plans that you would want to work with? Even when you feel like you're saying certain, if we are lucky by the end of September or towards the end of the here, markets could start opening. But even if markets open, Deepak, how do you think would be the immediate reaction of people, or how do you think you would work out of these crises of trying to, sort of convince people or make them be panic free about, okay, it is December now and you all can get into the situation of traveling, you all can meet people. So, what all things would you have to work out on yourself to come out of these crises?
We have a huge opportunity ahead.
Okay.
My opportunity, I'll call. Uh, 35% of weddings, big fat weddings, it has been postponed to 2021.
Okay.
So as a person, I don't see any hopes that a government or Indian government will start up with 50 and more people of gathering. So we have a win-win situation where these weddings would be towards the destinations abroad. They have not given any kind of कि 50 लोग ही करेंगे, ज्यादा लोग नहीं करेंगे. सो जिनको पैसा खर्च करना है, जो बिग फैट वेडिंग्स, जो 1-1 करोड़ रुपया खर्च करते थे वेडिंग्स के पीछे, दे आर रेडी टू स्पेंड स्टिल. पर ये क्या होगा, ये यहाँ पे नहीं होकर 1000 लोगों को नहीं बुलाकर ये लोग 200 लोगों को वहां पे ले जाएंगे एंड दे विल फॉर्म अ बिग साइज ऑफ वेडिंग्स. सो as you said, what I'm eyeing on at least 5 international destination weddings. So for that, I'm looking on with a collaboration with event planners and photographers around. So this is my future planning. This is my roadmap as of now, and I'm working on it.
Okay. That's nice. I mean, and also, I mean, all the wedding planners here look out for the collaborations that Deepak is asking to have. So I think we have a huge bunch and a big community of GWN here, which is already ready for collaborations. In fact, in the chat box, I'm seeing Adrian say he called me from Goa. So yes, there is already one pitch there for you. That's super great. And of course, for Bali, though, you have already pitched me. So that's the second customer that you're already having in line. So
that's the beautiful thing, that is only the beautiful thing about GWN, where, एक मांगो तो 10 मिलते हैं. So
exactly.
that is kind of support I am getting right now. And trust me, thank you so much. That's the only 3 words I can say. Thank you so much.
But again, coming back to I have seen so much positivity that you're showing, because frankly speaking, Deepak, I have a few travel friends here, and though they have not catered to the wedding fraternity in special, but they are so low and so oh, nothing to work for, what will we travel industry do? They are feeling very low right now, and I keep telling them कि okay yaar, डोमेस्टिक स्टार्ट हो गया, कुछ वहां पे करो, कुछ ऐसे करो, कुछ वैसे करो. But what I would really want to do now is कि once post this KYM of ours today, and once the the official video comes out, this is what I'm going to share about what you said, and I'm going to show them the positivity that Deepak has shown your being in the travel industry. It's been a huge positive vibe that you have been passing around, and I would still like to ask you, what type of message, like for your fellow fraternity, firstly, and of course all of us also will take that message. So what type of message would you like to give, for your travel industry friends out there, or rather, for the people who are connected in the same scenario? Like you also said, at one point you were feeling very low, and you were facing issues. So what type of suggestions would you give to the other people who are connected in the same industry?
See, life जब तक roller coaster ride नहीं होती ना, जीने का मजा नहीं आता.
Yeah.
And frankly, जैसे जैसे हम ऊपर जाते तो डर लगता है, but when we come down, the excitement, the thrill develops. So this is the time what we have to develop the thrill inside, and trust me on that. Regarding travel, so people will never forget to travel, because मैं lockdown 2 में जब था, there was a neighbor who called me at 10:30 p.m. and he asked me to come down. जब मैं नीचे गया तो बोलते हैं कि दीपक, congratulate me, I'm a father again. I said, congratulations. Sir, party दो. पार्टी वार्टी छोड़, मुझे कब बाहर भेज रहा है मुझे वो पहले पता. So लॉकडाउन 2 में जब ऐसा फेज था, तो people are there to travel. We just have to have a whole hand in hand together. And definitely the upcoming times are the times where we will not get time to sleep. We are not getting time to eat. So after December, mind me saying that we travel agents would be the busiest person on the earth.
I would surely pray for that, and I would surely hope for that. That it surely happens, and hats off to the positivity and hats off to the good vibes you're passing on to the other people also, and the lovely messages that you're giving on how people can really learn a lot out of the situation and still bring a boom into their respective fields. But even then, as you see, most of the journey, we have covered the journey of Deepak today, where he started, his father being his inspiration, his passion of traveling being a huge inspiration for him to go on. And in this pandemic scenario also, he has been looking forward to opportunities and meeting a lot of people and speaking about huge connections. A few of them have pitched him here already. We have a singer, we have Adrian, we have someone else asking to be connected, Harmeet asking to get connected. I am already planning my Bali. So I'm on the move now, and I have to show this whole video to my friends behind also. Ki yaar, jana hai. And I have this a good friend who's also handsome himself, and चलो वो हमारा trip बना लेगा for Bali. So these are real nice things that we have got to know about you, Deepak, and I would really say
a last input I would like to give it up as thanks to GWN. Thanks, you gave me all platform to express the thing, kind of thing. So right now at this point of time, if we give motivate someone, that's the biggest thing what we can do in this particular times. So yes, thank you GWN, thank you Pam. I urge all the GW members should come on this platform, and we would see, I have already got few pitches around. I'm getting WhatsApp messages that when are we getting collaborated. So मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and for the right kind of visibility, please come on the board, be on this seat, and I'll be there to support you.
Why I was constantly laughing as you were talking is Mridula has put it on the chat ki Pam mereko please leke chalo Bali.
Anytime, madam.
So there are so many people pitching to come to Bali. So I think GWN itself should make a group and go to Bali, and that would be super fun, and that would be a very nice idea that I'm very silently passing it on to the founders. Hey ho, listen, GWN has to go to Bali, and that would be a beautiful trip. And I think इतने सारे जोश वाले इवेंट वाले साथ में जाएंगे तो Bali is going to be at another level. Like we have beautiful anchors like Neeti with us, we have Vishal to sing for us. He has already pitched, okay? किसी के लिए मेरे को लेके जाओ, dancers है, and all such vibrant people with us. So I think बाली को पूरा उल्टा पुल्टा करके ही आ जाएंगे हम लोग.
बाली का एक और चीज है मैम, बाली ने जो हमारा कल्चर प्रिजर्व किया है, we as Hindus, we have not done that. They still light lamps in their temples, we don't. और एक चीज की एक गारंटी है कि उल्टा पुल्टा का पता नहीं, बट ये है कि वहां पे honesty is their prime motto. When you leave the phone on the middle of the road, there will be no one who would be touching that phone and keeping aside until unless he is here in Indian. Indian होगा तो लेके भाग जाएगा, बाकी Balinese people ऐसा कभी नहीं करेगा.
Okay, that's something which I really got to know today only. I mean, एकदम something very new. It's a nice point that I really got to know. So this makes me feel more and more कि यार अभी तो मृदुला कोई हो ना हो आप और मैं चले जाते हैं अभी. And I'm sure Niti is also joining in. So yes, this was a beautiful chat that we had with Deepak, and this is what I realized, sometimes even when we are in the groups, हमारा इंटरेक्शन उतना नहीं होता है folks, like you know एक basic WhatsApp होता है या जब आप plan करते हो एक 1-to-1 होता है. But I really felt कि today Deepak जितना you spoke about yourself, जितना you told about yourself, it's a whole picture now in my mind that now if I want to pitch Deepak for anyone, for any of my friends, I think I can be the best sales force for you now. And
Pleasure, man.
and I think all of us here who have been sitting also, I'm sure everyone knows about you. Everyone knows, though he has pitched only 2 places for us today, Maldives and Bali, but we'll know about the other places once we start talking to him, more frequently. But yes, the whole of having a beautiful destination planning with you, वो तो दिमाग में अभी set हो गया है. So coming to all the people who are here today, so if anyone has any question to ask for Deepak or anything that you all would want to ask, you all can either type the question in the chat or Sid, can we unmute everyone? So we can have an open session with Deepak.
Adirin has a question.
Yeah.
Deepak, hi Deepak, how are you?
Hi.
Okay, already connected with you. So when's your next trip to Goa?
Very soon, brother. Very soon I'll be there.
Okay, that's it.
गोवा के नाम पे तो वैसे भी लोग रेडी हो जाते हैं, Adrian. So I think.
And David is also here. Last night when I was having a chat with him, he left. So David was also here. He was also pitching me, come to Planet Hollywood. We'll have fun over there. So, yeah.
So you're on mute, Adrian.
You should have a boy gang also, a group in together with a girl gang to Bali.
So Adrian, Adrian, we don't mind if it is a mixed gang also. So it's okay.
So count me in.
Yeah, instead of making it a separate boys gang and a girls gang, I mean, we can just all of us just enjoy together. Yeah, no big deal. इतने जिंदगी साथ है हम लोग तो लंबा ही, we'll just continue our journey together. So there's no doubt in that. So do we have any other questions for Deepak here?
जी अलग-अलग जाने में वैसे भी मजा नहीं आएगा, साथ में जाने में मजा आएगा.
So they don't have any questions. So either I am very good at explaining, or either I'm very bad at explaining. Oh, now you tell me what I was good at.
No, it's not about your good or bad, Deepak. They already have the whole picture so well set in their mind now. So directly they are going to just come to pitch you for the holiday.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So it's like, I mean, I don't know. At least for me, it is that. So I assume everyone else also. See, even Raki is saying yes. So
Thank you
so much. So many people saying yes, and
Deepak,
I think mind-blowing.
Neeraj.
The picture that you have just created, now the feel-good factor, as Adrian told, is only by going. So we're just awaiting the moment the flights to Bali and Mauritius are on. I mean,
I've already gone there visually.
I mean, we are good to go.
Virtually we are there already. Thanks to his pictures and all of that. Virtually we have reached there.
Yeah, actually, Neeti, I agree with you.
Yeah, that's why nobody has a question, because you're virtually already there looking at the pictures that you have showed, and it was so well spoken about. So already हम अपने आप को वहाँ पे visualize कर रहे हैं and having all the fun. So really well explained. Really well explained.
So beautiful, yeah. It was so beautiful. I mean, वो सोच भी नहीं सकता कि the whole thing looks. I mean, I don't know. I didn't have any words to say there. So it was really beautiful and very nice. So,
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Deepak, I had one thing I wanted to check. Like, do you have like a checklist for travel at this point of time? कि अगर travel करना है तो ये करना है करके. Maybe if you have a ready reckoner or something that you can share it with all of us.
Maldives, is on the cards right now. Dubai is there. So very soon, as I was told that Singapore Airlines Singapore Airport खुल जाएगा, so we have huge list to be opened up.
I'm talking about another thing altogether. Like, I mean, when we are traveling, the checklist. जहाँ आपके दिमाग में तो Maldives ही भेजना है, सबको वो है, पता है, जहाँ पर भी हो, but what are the things like like sanitizer, then mask hai वगैरह, like traveling
हाँ.
at these times, maybe if you can educate us a little better, because half of us are really paranoid about that whole thing. Travel book करने से पहले पसीना निकल जाता है सोच के कि क्या करना है.
So
right?
there are certain countries which have different kinds of tech checklist.
Right.
Like Dubai is saying that you should have a 36 hours negative COVID report, and if not, they'll have the report on the airport itself. So there is nothing different what it was before, just a certificate of negative COVID thing. Sanitizers तो हर जगह मिलते ही हैं. Airport पे भी there will be lot of sanitizers, there will be lot of masks. Even when you board in the flight, they'll give you certain kind of shields, certain kind of mask, PPE kit. You need to wear it, and then only you need to board it out.
Right.
So 100% the government is also very much taking care of these things. And as a person, we have to have a personal hygiene. We should not be touching the things here and there. So this is only the basic ideas what we have been learning in this entire COVID period.
Right. And I think most of these resorts and hotels are much more cleaner than our own homes, because they are sanitizing it like every hour or something.
Yeah.
Right? So
ऐसा है कि एक बार आप चेकआउट करते हो तो
हाँ.
आपका वो रूम it would be sanitized thoroughly, and it will not be given to the other guest for at least 24 hours.
Right.
So
Okay.
again, they are maintaining 100% social distancing. So occupancy भी 50% है अभी. So they are able to manage up these things. So in future, when they have enough of crowd, so that's the reason I told you the best season of traveling would be beyond Diwali.
Correct. December.
हाँ, December, Diwali, whatever it is. So तब तक वो लोग भी इतने mature हो चुके होंगे, तब तक they would have applied this thing into day-to-day life. हमारे पास वो सब चीजें करने के लिए फिर थोड़ा eased out हो सकेंगे.
Correct. And you suggest that time वो destination weddings भी पूरे full fledged आ जाएगा, like I mean we'll go in
this is the time 100%. This is the time हमको ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कल 50 लोगों की wedding करनी आ जाओ. So हमको भी future projects ही मिलने वाले हैं, and future projects will be of Diwali and post Diwali, because that would be the wedding seasons what we Indians are into. So दिवाली के बाद तो definitely हमारे पास boom होने वाली है काम की. We are not getting time to sleep. Mark my words.
Can we start saving money with you for post Diwali and आप हम लोग महीने दे देंगे आपको, आप साथ में बुक कर दीजिए उसके बाद में.
मैं कहाँ आपसे पैसे मांग रहा हूँ, आप चले जाओ.
अरे वाह.
Oh,
Done.
wow.
This is my takeaway from the Know Your member. मेरा तो पैसा.
But this is only limited to GWN members. This is not to everyone around.
That's fine. That's fine as long as we are in.
Yes, so sweet. Thank you so much, Deepak.
Yeah, that's a very nice takeaway for all of us, that he's giving us such beautiful offers, and this can happen only on GWN platform. And considering that there are no more questions, any questions, people, for Deepak? No. So we can conclude the meeting session right now here, but we would request Siddharth to keep us open for networking. If the people who have joined in here wants to say something, few lines